Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode or the battery saver icon. And if you want to enable the power saving mode, tap on this icon like this, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and you will see the battery saver on message, and the icon will change the color. And if you go back to watch face, you will see the battery icon at the top of the watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon, and you will see the battery saver off message, and the icon will go back to gray color, or gray rather, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So we can press the crown button to open the menu, then we can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, you can tap on it. Here in the settings, find the battery option, tap on it, and right here we can enable the battery saver by tapping on the switch, tapping on the check mark, and the battery saver is enabled. And if you want to disable it, you can tap on the switch to disable it. And once you're done, of course, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.